Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you watch me regularly, you know that I often throw a lot of turn signal indicator sarcasm into my videos for those who don't use their turn signals. But here's something interesting that might make you want to use your turn signals if you don't in your 2025 or 2026 GMC Yukon. And we're going to go to settings right here, and we'll go to vehicle, and right down here you'll notice it says turn signal activated view. We're going to make sure that's on. There's a couple of ways to activate that. You can also turn it on and off right here. But what exactly is that? Put the Yukon in drive, and I'm going to turn on my right side turn signal, and you will see what is in your blind spot on that side of the vehicle. It does give you a live view, as you can see. There you go, there's the left side view. Just something that you may not have known you could do with these Yukons. Depends on how you drive, I guess, but if you don't currently use your turn signals, maybe that will encourage you to do so. That is something that I would like to see on more vehicles. It just makes it easier, especially when you're driving a really large vehicle, although I still look in my blind spot. It's a habit I will never break, but one of those little things that you might not have known is available on these Yukons. If there's a particular tutorial you would like to see, tell me down in the comments section, whether it's on a Yukon or something else. Doesn't have to be a GMC. Tell me what it is, and I'll make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.